Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD drawing tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to change the dimension precision in a FreeCAD. And here is a drawing which I have made of this my seal cover. It is a 3D model and it is a 2D drawing, and you can see that some of the dimension in a 2 digit, and we will learn what are the available options in a FreeCAD to change the dimension precision. So first you have to activate your TechDraw workbench, and once you activated your TechDraw workbench, you will see here an option known as increase dimension places and decrease dimension places. So first select the dimension, and if I wanted to make to the 1 decimal place, then I will select decrease dimension places. It has become 1 digit. If I select this dimension, I wanted to make it 1 digit, and this one is 1 digit. Same way, if you wanted to decrease the increase the precision, you can do the same. Select the same dimension and click on increase decimal places. So this is the one method to increase or decrease dimension places with the help of these options, which is available under TechDraw. And you can also do with other ways also. So select this dimension and come to here at a property manager. So here you will see the format specification, and here you will get percentage 2W. If I type instead of 2, if I type 1, so you can see that dimension change from 2 decimal place to 1 decimal place. Similarly, if I wanted to make it round figure, then I will delete this 1 and put here 0, so dimension become 2 decimal place. Similarly for here, select the dimensions and go for the specifications, and if you want to make 2 digit, make 2 digit. So we have both the option available. Either we can use this property manager of the dimension, or we can use this increment and decrease the decimal places to make the dimensions precision from 1 digit, 2 digit, or round figure. So this is the very small tutorial at a basic level to increase or decrease the dimension precision. And if you like my method of teaching, and if you want to support my work, then please like, subscribe and share my video. I will come with more useful tutorial on FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.